Hey, long time no live. Actually, parang been a few weeks, no? Ayan, grabe, number 1 si Angel, unang-una. Tila bagang pwede siya mag-comment ng first. Char. I miss you. Umasa ako sa inyo ng Snatch Game. Umasa akong pupunta kayo sa amin ng Snatch Game. Hindi pala. Char. Wait. Hold the phone. Okay. I'm back. Sorry, kumuha lang ako asin. Maanong ulam? Ang ulam natin for today ay chicken karaage with soy honey sriracha tsaka french fries na may barbecue powder. We can explain. Hindi! Sa korte kayo mag-explain, Charis. Finally, nag-live ka na ulit. Oo nga eh. Sorry na. Nagbakasyon ng EA. May witness check. Hindi natin ng konting salt ng ng ating rice. Kasi medyo, nilagyan ko siya ng suka. Because, ewan ko, parang nakaka-Japanese yung lasa. Now with honor. So, congratulations, Abigail. Good job sa'yo. Hu ka rin. Hi, ganda. Hi, drag ni Mommy. Hello, Mix. Hope you had fun sa Vegas. Oh my God. Alam mo, yes. Sa sobrang tagal namin doon, I had fun. Tapos nagkaroon akong time na magkaroon ng muni-muni sessions, life reflections, realizations, ganyan. Happy birthday, Nicole. Kung hindi mo talaga birthday today, sana kagdatan ka ng Sana makagdatan ka, chart. For today's video, hindi na kita utusan. Sana always. Sana every video. Chart. Ayan, hello sa mga bagong pasok. Mapasabi nga sa jowa ko mag-reply siya sa akin. Deserve. Haba na ng hair mo, I love it. Oo nga eh. Nasa stage siya right now na medyo mahirap siyang ayusin. Wala na, Nicole, nasabi ko na. Kung di mo na screen record, sorry ka. Miss Bahay Rain, I miss you. Anong involved to sexual harassment? Ano yan? How was your experience sa protest? Honestly, ilang times, ask niyo pa si Miggy, ilang times na parang manghiyak-hiyak ako kasi I haven't felt that energy in a long time. Parang, I haven't felt that energy honestly since 2022. Lalo na nung day na parang yes, ang daming nagluluksanan, pero parang in my heart talaga, hindi, ipaglalaban ko to, ganyan. Sumama pa ako sa protest sa Intramuros. Tas nag-march kami going to Comelec, ganyan. Lakas ang loob ni bakla, no? But, siguro parang that spark of hope kind of laid low for a while for me. Kahit itong midterm elections, medyo parang it was nice na we voted for some people in to the Senate. Pero ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung, oh my God, the Filipino people are actually showing up to ask for, to demand change. Ganon. Nadaan nga lang yung grab namin sa EDSA. Grabe na ayak ko. Grab, girl, yes. Like, nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa lang to see people showing up. hopefully, kung tuloy-tuloy, hopefully, makita ng gobyerno, hopefully they do something about it. But more than that, hopefully we bring the same energy to the next presidential elections. Kasi yun talaga yung kailangan natin. We need to elect the right people that will push for legislation to protect us from this happening again. To, parang create safeguards na hindi na ito magagawa ng mga ibang masasamang loob in the future. Especially during the march, ang daming drivers na nag-iisa kahit na wala sila sa march. Girl, syempre nung nagpo-protest yung mga tao, gumagano'n sila sa mga sakyan para bumusina. So, sobrang daming bubusina na, hindi siya busina for traffic, pero busina talaga siya in support, in solidarity. And that was just, ang ganda makita nun. It was also kind of heartbreaking seeing the elderly people marching na parang shit, ulit na naman for them. But honestly, sobrang heartwarming din niya kasi alam mo the change that they're fighting for might not be within their lifetime, but they're still making the effort to show up. Busina para sa bayan, tama. Sana tuloy-tuloy na mamulat ang mga tao lalo na next election. Please register na kayo. Correct. Alam mo, ito, ganyan yung gusto kong comment. Sabi ni Sophia Scarlett, "Hello ma, I know hindi nakasalali sa'yo ang pagpasa ko, pero isang good luck lang po for exam para ganahan, please." Ganyan. Hindi inaasa nyo sa akin kung papasa kayo o hindi, pero good luck. Sipagin mo ang pag-review and I'm sure your efforts will bear fruit. Bear fruit? Parang lutong nakagat mo, huhunagutom ako bigla. Alam mo, air fryer is the way. Air fryer is the way. Sa lahat ng prito, air fryer. So once again, ito po tayong ulam natin is chicken karaage with honey soy sriracha sauce and fries na may barbecue powder. Your favorite evolution of Eevee other than Sylveon? Sylveon lang talaga. Like, this diva, Miss Diva. Girl, Sylveon lang talaga. As in. I like Glaceon just because I think Glaceon is kind of underlooked. And also I think aside from Sylveon, Glaceon and Leafeon have the best designs. Pero girl, Sylveon talaga. As in, I have begun, alam ko sobrang mahal nitong endeavor na to. Pero kasi nahook ako sa Pokemon card videos lately. Kasi nanonood akong mga collectors, yung mga gumagawa sila ng mga challenges sa mga like card collecting conventions ganyan. Favorite ko right now si Deep Pocket Monsters, saka si Beard Dad Cards. Kasi ang GV nila panoorin, nakaka-inspire to like, not just go after rares, but go after the cards that mean something to you. So I've started to collect Sylveon cards. Pero parang, feeling ko mapapamahal ako dito eh. May Pokemon TCG Pocket ka? Yes, I do. I do have Pokemon TCG Pocket. Actually, yun yung nag-start. Doon ako nag-start. 48 hours later, bumili na ako ng cards. Pero dalawa pa lang. Though I want to get boosters then, just for like actual boosters, for the thrill of pulling, and also feeling ko parang ang mahal kasi if I just keep buying cards. So maganda sana if meron akong bala for trading, gets nyo ba? Anyway, also kaya sobrang minamahal ko Sylveon ngayon kasi yung colors niya, siya yung Eevee evolution na canonically trans. Like, girl, the trans flag colors in a Pokemon, mama, we stand. We have to stand. How long did you grow your hair? I've been kind of growing it since, I think, months last year. At some point, months last year. Though I had, from Q4 last year to I think maybe Q2 this year, I had a few haircuts just to give it some shape. But siguro parang I'd like to say at most 6 months na akong walang pagupit at all. Happy birthday, Kelly! Brianna Elise, I miss you too. Ang glowing mo, grabe ka na. Uy! Salamat sa estrogen, Char. Sponsored ba ng Relic sa mga drag queens? I don't know if the other queens are part of a campaign. Kasi I don't vape, so I don't think may mag-reach out sa akin na vape company to do an actual campaign. Pero last year, I think for viewing parties ng Season 2 and Season 3, sa Bikinimen we had Relax po ang basa doon. Relax as a sponsor, and they did give vapes to some queens. Pero last year pa yon, so I don't know about now if meron pa rin continued sponsorship or like PR packages being sent. Miss you, pwede ba yun? Hanggang miss you lang naman kayo eh. Ganyan naman kayo sa akin. Hanggang miss you lang kayo eh. Happy Teacher's Day kay Sir Lawrence. Sabi ni Jan_Marion_Bota. Pag natapos ang live, mag-review ako, promise. Tama yan, Abigail. Keep up your honors. Grabe, joke lang naman yun. Totoo pala. Alin yung joke? Hala, ano yun? Yung relax. Yan. Ano kain yan? Chicken karaage and fries. If you ever get called for a Global All-Stars, will you take it po? I don't know about Global All-Stars. I don't know about Global All-Stars specifically, but I would love to compete on an international season. Just because parang gusto ko ma-expose sa kultura ng iba. Like I want to be exposed to queens from other cultures and, you know, deal with the challenge siguro of having to makihalubilo sa ibang kultura, ganon. Bakit nagising ko lang sa chat ko? Di pwedeng busy, be? Di pwedeng busy? Kailangan i-dedicate sa'yo oras ko. Ano kaya piyesa mo for Lollapalooza? Oh my God, honestly, pinag-iisipan ko pa siya. Good luck sa exam tomorrow, Jet Black. Hello, Mixed House Coron. I loved Coron. Coron was such a sleepy town vacation. And I love sleepy town vacations kasi parang dito sa Manila, ang gal-gal, ang dami nangyayari. Araw-araw may ganap doon. Parang, wow! Hi-hi! Penge fries, huhu. Sorry, akin to. Fries ko to. Char. Although, I have to shout out, not sponsored, pero yung barbecue powder ng Colina sa Dali or Dali grocery store. Basta yung kulay pink na letter din na grocery store. The barbecue powder. Mag-host ka sa Wednesday. Tila bagang bago. Parang hindi naman ako every week nag-host. See you tomorrow, Meg. See you tomorrow, Mara. Sana ma-choose ka na po sa Golden Balut. Awa na lang, wala na nga ako doon. Ako pa yung Golden Balut. Wait, kukuha lang ang kanin. BRB. Okay, we're back. What's up? Hindi po kami nakuha ng tickets. Sold out na ba? Parang hindi pa yata sold out. Who do you think will win, Slasian? My bets are on any of the Filipina girls. I'm sorry, like, yes, we can say na it's rigged, whatever. But the Filipina girls are bringing it. So any of them taking the crown is just gonna be the parang tamang ending in my book. How was the rally? The one in EDSA, though I'm seeing a lot of criticisms online. And medyo parang na-off din ako nang nabalitaan kong nagpasalamat yung organizer sa PNP because, sorry, ACAB. ACAB tayo. So, I mean, if the PNP are doing if the PNP are doing their job in keeping the safety of the people, that's bare minimum. Hindi dapat yung pasalamatan nila kasi yun yung trabaho nila. But also, kailangan ba talaga natin silang pasalamatan? Like, honestly, police presence in any protest is a form of intimidation. Pero nabalitaan ko sa Menjola, girl. Girl. Diyan sila magaling, sila magsisimula ng gulo tapos ipipaint ng media na parang naninira lang yung protesters. Like, girl, walang pipitik kung walang rason pumitik. Diba? Shout out Dev_20. Thoughts about Manchild? I love the song. I love performing the song. I love the Whole Man's Best Friend album. Zero casualties daw pero may na-edgy at na-stab nga ay may illegal arrest pang naganap. Correct! Alam nyo, basta police presence in any protest, I do not support. It's an intimidation tactic. Next topic, please. Store topic yung Manchild. Ay, ang alam ko kasi talaga nandun kayo. Kaya pinili ko i-perform yun ng araw na yun. Eh, kung wala kayo dun, hindi ko kasalanan yun. That boy is crop na poster girl. GV talaga ako. Kasi the night before, I just came from a Sabrina event. So nakita ko yung parang, I love the timeliness. Hindi mo ako tinawag sa listening party. Wala tuloy akong poster, eme. Nagpapansin ka ba? Siyempre ang mapapansin ng listening party, mga magaling magpapansin din. 200 plus protesters were arrested. In what world is that, right? Diba? Correct! Correct! Kaya akab talaga tayo. Like, sorry na lang kung sino mang mail ka mag-anak dyan na police. Na okay naman, ayos naman. When we say AKAB, when we say all cops are bastards, we are criticizing the system. We are criticizing the system. We are criticizing the power structure that they're abusing, that majority of the system is abusing. AKAB tayo. Sorry. Pahingi ng fries para mawala galit ko kahit saglit. Sorry. Oh, go. Yan nga. Wow! Pumunta ka pala sa amin sa Coron. Yes, I was in Coron for 8 days. Walang titigil hanggat walang pagbabago. Correct. Actually, nabitin nga ako sa sa rally. Parang, more protest pa tayo every day. Every day. But also, I love it. Maliban sa maliban sa Luneta and sa EDSA and sa Menjola, there are a lot of movements all over the country. Mayroon ako nakita movement in Negros, in Baguio, in Cebu, I think. It's about time. Kailan ka na film latest vlog? Di pa rin her asawa mo. Last month pa yon. August pa yon. Miss you, Mick. See you again bukas. See you again. OnlyFans, ayan. Every month sana protest, girl. Honestly speaking. Pero also, like, July pa daw pala. Sorry na. Honestly speaking, not to be pessimistic naman, but the more movements na mangyari, the more protests, the more rallies, medyo mag-expect kayo ng more police brutality. Kasi natatakot na sila. Girl, the PNP are shaking in their boots because the people are finally mobilizing to take back the power and parang to deconstruct the systems of abuse that the PNP is benefiting from. Kaya sa protesta, akab. Kaya magtitiwala sa police sa protesta. Yung mga objectively good policemen and women, bare minimum yon. Trabaho nila yon. Hindi natin utang na loob sa kanila yon. Meron din protest from my province sa Bataan. Yes, love it. Ang korap na gobyerno ay takot sa botanteng edukado. Correct. Daming illegally detained, lagpas sa allowed hours. Correct. Huwag tayong magkaroon ng utang na loob sa magandang serbisyo ng mga taong ang trabaho nila ay magserbisyo sa tao, magserbisyo sa atin. That's the bare minimum. That's their job. They should be doing their job. Hindi dapat natin sila pinapalakpakan for doing their job. We need to have better standards for the people in government, for any person in power. Magnanakaw ikulong, wag ang kabataan. Correct, period. Very that. But also, yun nga, if magkaroon tayo ng rallies in the future, please do make safety precautions. Kung meron kayong mga kapamilya na may iwan sa bahay during protest, mag-share kayo ng location nyo sa phones nyo. Yung Find My, connect yung Find My nyo sa mga kaibigan nyo kasama pupunta, or mga kapamilya nyo hindi pupunta. Make safety precautions. Kasi, alam mo, kahit na gustuhin man natin ang peaceful protest, we never know what happens. Kasi ganun talaga. A protest is power struggle. A protest is a form of power struggle. It's a way for the people to take back the power, and we can expect that we will not be able to take that power back without any form of resistance from the people that are abusing it, benefiting from it, taking advantage of it. Anong oras ka umino rally? I got there, I think dumating ka dun mga ano na. Napuntahan ko yung sa EDSA na eh. I think dumating kami dun mga 3. Tapos, we stayed there until... Actually, nag-start kami maglakad away from EDSA mga 7:30. Tapos nag-dinner kami sa labas. Thank you. Inspired me. I made it to the... with honor. Congratulations, Sophia. Also, if may mga eligible to vote dyan for the next election, please make sure you are registered. Actually, mag-register kayo kung boboto kayo ng tama. Kung hindi kayo boboto ng tama, wag na lang. Sarap. Ayan na, natatalakan na si Abigail ng Remix Channel, oh. Pero real talk lang. Kung boboto ng tama, mag-register. Kung hindi boboto ng tama, wag na. Hindi namin kaya kailangan. Sarap. Please, as early as now, make yourself aware of what's happening in the country. Make yourself aware of current issues. And from credible media, hindi sa mga AI post rage bait sa Facebook. Get your sources from credible media. Aralin ko ano yung nangyayari sa bansa. Sino ang mga taong pinupuksa, sino ang mga taong nangaabuso ng kapangyarihan nila bilang public servants. Kasi yun yung trabaho nila, eh. Gobyerno sila. They should be serving the public, not their own greed, not their own intentions. As young as 15, magpa-register na din sila agad for SK in barangay elections. Mas maaga mamulat na pumili ng mga public servant. Actually, yes, I agree. Practice your right to vote. And it's not a privilege, it's a right. Karapatan mo siya, exercise your right to vote. And actually, maganda nga yung maging aware tayo of local elections, whether that be mayor, barangay captain, barangay chairman, SK. Maging aware tayo sa local elections because if wala ka nang paki sa national election, that's a good way to start educating yourself. Makikita mo kasi, mas madali mong makikita yung kapangyarihan ng boto mo if nag-pay attention ka din sa local elections. Sa local elections sa inyo. Kasi, doon mo makikita directly, ito yung person na binoto ko bilang kapitan, ginawa ba niya yung promise niya, nag-i-improve ba yung barangay namin, maayos ba yung kalsada sa barangay namin. Sa mga ganang maliliit na bagay mo makikita yung effect ng vote mo, and hopefully that will make you more critical of national elections. Pwede po pa bati na happy birthday si Tabitha. Super fan mo po siya. She's turning 13 this September 25. Want ka po niya ma-meet per 18 plus po ka sa Bikini. Happy birthday, Tabitha! What can you say about sa mga SK na nag-Thailand trip for HIV seminars? Well, it's good that they want to educate themselves. Honestly, hindi ako super aware sa kaganapan sa Thailand, kung ano yung parang specialization na nagaganap sa Thailand for this seminar. I think maybe necessary ba na pumunta sila ng Thailand? Ano ba yung makuha nilang HIV education sa Thailand na hindi nila makuha from reaching out to local organizations here? Ayun lang. Sana kung pupunta sila doon, it's for the right intentions at hindi para lang maglustay ng pera ng bayan. Sensitive topic pa rin yun hanggang ngayon. At I think for the next years, hopefully, people are more aware of that. Gagawin daw nilang model government yung Thailand, wala namang SK doon. Ano connect? Ano connect ng Thailand? Last Bikini naman episode, the best so far. I love you. Sana kinoment mo yan. Comment mo yan sa video. Comment mo yan sa video, hindi. Sure. Currently watching Bikini Podcast latest episode. It was so nice actually to get Brigading's point of view. Plus, ayun nga, aside from Arizona kasi, si Brigading pa lang yung guest namin na actually comes with, well, Ivory, pero we didn't really recap the episode with her. So it was nice to get the point of view of someone who was in the competition at that moment. Hi Mix, you were so beautiful last Saturday. Thank you very much. Grabe, held at gunpoint ang lala, check. At least hindi totoong baril, hindi tulad ng mga nagputukan sa Menjola. Ba't kayo nasa evangelism set pala? Kasi yung studio, yung regular studio namin, may conflict ng schedule nung araw na yon. So, Eva very generously lent her studio, her set to us. Marami tayong NGO na nag-educate about HIV. Sana sinuportahan nilang nila. Correct! Correct! Ang dami nating volunteers. Ang dami nating mga certified HIV, kalimutan ko yung proper term. Pero ang dami tayong volunteers and advocates with HIV education certification that they could have reached out to without needing to go to Thailand for more. Hindi naman first or not even second language ng Thailand ang English. So, bakit doon of all places? When ka po mag-guest sa evangelism, it's already been, we filmed it back in May. So, nasa editing room na siya. Speaking of, kailangan ko nga pala mag-send ng mga pictures na mga kung anik-anik sa kanila. Anyway. Miss na kitang asarin. Hindi ko na Miss Abigail. Ibalik sa Arizona sa Buchanan, girl. Alam mo, sa dami-dami ng guest request nyo, sana ma-accommodate namin. Sa dami ng guest na gusto namin kunin, sana ma-accommodate namin. Tapos every video na wala si Versex, asan si Versex? Asan si Versex? Tapos magagalit kayo pag hindi na-feature yung iba. Saan kami lulugar? Hi, Mix, can you give an impression of Lynn from Las Vegas? Hi, I'm Lynn from Las Vegas. Models. We're hiring new promotional models to work in Las Vegas, USA. Are you 18 to 21 years old? Do you have good English skills? A pleasing personality and a desire for an exciting new life? If so, this opportunity may be for you. Sounds interesting? Please email us so we can arrange a personal interview. Thanks. Ganon. Kabisado niya. Correct. Ang lala ng comments na hinahanap si Ver. Honestly, girl, I love having Ver on the podcast. Don't get me wrong. But if you're looking for Ver content specifically, go to her channels. Go to her social media if wala siya doon. Pwede rin naman kasing busy si bakla, di ba? Pwede rin naman may schedule conflict siya kaya hindi naman siya nakuha that episode. Or maybe sometimes we just want to get the perspective of someone else. Ang magiging mainstay doon kami ni Boss because that's our show. That's our platform that we've been building for the past 4-5 years together. And if you want Versex's point of view, ask for Versex's point of view sa channels na. Yun lang naman yun. Nothing against my sister. I love my sister and I love her point of view. Pero minsan, pag wala siya doon, huwag siya hanapin. Wala siya. Briggs, another please, so smart and insightful and so funny as a comedy queen lang. I loved having Briggs on the podcast. But I also loved having Pangina because Pangina was so unhinged but also very, very constructive with her criticism. As in, kung hindi ka niya bet, di ka niya bet. Pero sabihin niya kung bakit. And sabihin niya kung what you could have improved on. I loved having Pangina as in. Huwag hanapin yung wala. Korik. If you're only there for Ver and not for the people that built that show from the ground up, edi sorry kung wala siya. Huwag yung hanapin. Huwag yung may awayin kung wala. Mix, who do you think will uplift the community sa Lollapalooza next week? I think we all uplift the community. Charot! Ang mga tunay na nag-uplift ng community, yung mga taong pinaglalaban ang karapatan ng mga Pilipino. Ang mga taong totoong nag-uplift ng community ay yung mga taong pinaglalaban ang pera ng bayan. Tama, Marie? Watch kayo ng viewing party ni Ver. Correct, punta kay Antidote. I might go to Antidote this Wednesday. Wala lang, share ko lang. See you there if I see you there. Pangina was so on point when doing jokes, pero alam mo naman na sarcasm niya. Alam nyo, I love Pangina. Plus, I love getting to know more of Pangina that weekend. The day after we recorded the podcast, we went out together. Had such a fun time dancing with her. Mix, do you stand K-pop? I wanna know if you know X-Love. I've heard of X-Love and I love their concept. But at the moment, hindi kasi ako naka-K-pop stan mode right now. So I'm not really following any groups or even like current events in K-pop at the moment. I'm sorry. Ayan na, nakashoes na agad si Amviela at Angel. Hoy Shafira, hindi na ako maniniwala sa inyo. Umasa na ako. Napaasa nyo na ako. Char. If I survived last year's Lollapalooza as a mixed tan, I can survive anything. You know what? Aside from that elimination message, aside from that exit message, I have no regrets sa Lollapalooza. I had more fun during the Lollapalooza lip syncs than I did Miss Manila. Miss Manila yung talagang war shock sa akin na parang, ano nangyayari? Bakit ako nag-lip sync? At least sa Lollapalooza, in-expect ko mag-lip sync. And I got the songs that I actually like from that lineup of songs. Sino stan mo sa X-Love? Makaka-explain ko nga lang na hindi ko nga sila not listening. I mean, alam ko sila. I've heard their song. I've watched maybe like one performance. I love their concept. I don't know the members. I don't really know the songs very well. So, I don't know what to tell you. Pag ako bumawi at teka ka lang kasi madam. Charot, oo naman. Okay lang naman sa akin. Naiintindihan ko naman. Kasi hello, season naman ng Slaysian. So, tama lang din na all-out support tayo for the girls that are on the show right now. Pero sana huwag niyo kami kalimutan pagkatapos. If hindi po K-pop, may bet ka po ba na P-pop groups right now? Again, I'm not super following current events of the K-pop or P-pop scene. I guess the only group that I'm kind of updated with is Cat's Eye. But I was big on Beanie and Alamat before. Though I wouldn't really call myself like a hardcore stan, ganyan. But I love Beanie and Alamat's music. Have you heard of NMIX's collab with Pablo Vittar? I have actually. Ano yun? Mix Chanel? Charot, basta yun. Ganda ng song. I've heard it. Yes. Hi, Mommy Chanel. Naging nanay na naman. Char. Never kinis mo ako sa lips. Paano kita kalimutan my first kiss as a virgin? Oh, wow! Shit! Ako pala ganda mo naman. Ako first kiss mo. Char. Do you watch K-drama ba, Ma? What if ever... Alam mo, ang pinaka-hardcore K-drama years ko was... I think yung mga late 2000s, early 2010s, yung mga panahon ng Cinderella Stepsister, Boys Over Flowers, yun yung mga time na medyo nakasubaybay pa ako sa K-drama. Tapos yung pandemic era, yung 2020, yung Itaewon Class, Crash Landing, I also watched Squid Game, but I haven't really been updated lately. Alam nyo, mahirap kasi for me, ang mahirap for me as a person is to stay in one rabbit hole. Kasi palipat-lipat ako ng interest na parang sa isang buwan, baka puro pinapanood ko po ng mga Hunger Games. Right now, pinapanood ko Pokemon cards. So if meron pong Pokemon card collector dyan, namamalimos po ako if meron po kayong extra Sylveon cards. Or kung meron kayong gusto ibigay sa akin na booster pack, tanggapin ko po yan. Kasi nasa Pokemon cards, specifically rabbit hole ako right now. Same with anime, parang I go in and out of anime. K-pop, I go in and out of K-pop. I go in and out of a lot of fandoms. So, I can relate to a lot of things, pero I can't say na updated ako sa maraming bagay. Guys, watch the vlog, like, comment, and subscribe. Malapit na kami mag 2K subs. 98K na lang silver play button na. Correct! 4 more! Pag may nakita kayong ads, huwag nyo isi-skip ha. Kasi, we are officially on the YouTube Partner Program. We can finally monetize our videos. Actually, that was one of the reasons why we started doing the Bekeneman Backstage Access videos. Kasi we wanted to push the channel to monetization para, alam niyo yun, masisipagin kasi ako gumawa ng videos kung alam kong hindi na pupunta sa wala yung gastos. Alam niyo yun, kasi syempre, hindi naman kaya ng oras ko na ako lagi mag-edit ng videos on top of everything else that I do. So, syempre, kailangan ko magpasweldo ng editor, ng aking social media manager. Alam niyo yun. So, parang masisipagin kami to create content if at least self-sustaining siya with the monetization. So, ayun. Huwag kayo mag-skip ng ads. Ulit-ulitan nyo, i-play nyo ng paulit-ulit yung video on loop sa background kahit na-commute, okay lang. Basta hindi lang nasiskip yung ads, okay kami. Ayun lang. Because if we can make this YouTube thing sustainable or even lucrative, di masaya tayong lahat kasi at least tuloy-tuloy ang uploads natin. Kahit 2 hours ads yan, as a maiksi attention span, carry ko yan. Go! Sige, habang tulog ako mamaya nakaloop yan. Sige, gawin kong papatulog yan. Ayan! Masarap kayong kausap. Masarap kayong kabanding. White noise ko yan mamaya. Correct, ganun din ako. Sabi ni Thea Solamilio, hi to Francis Luis. Mi, paano ba makamove on sa season nyo? Thankfully, you don't have to. Pwede nyo pa ulit-ulitin yan sa Wow Presents. Tangin ang tanong to, Boss versus Tita Baby suntukan, sino panalo? What if ikaw na lang suntokin nila? Char. Excited ako pag may day in a life as a drag queen tapos dalhin mo kami sa gigs mo. Oh my God. Actually, pwede yan. We can do that. We are planning to shoot a makeup tutorial again this Friday. Kasi I have to be in drag to shoot another thing with another organization. So, habang nag-get ready, habang nag-makeup, i-shoot na namin siya. So, stay tuned for that. We're gonna shoot another vlog this Friday. What I eat in a day din. Diyos ko, puro kape lang yan. What I eat in a day, iced coffee. Kala nag-crave tuloy ako, parang gusto ko na iced coffee. Pero anong oras na, hindi na ako makakatulog. Yung makeover mo si Baos, paabutin nyo akong 10k subscribers. Go, bibiling ko yung oras ni Baos. Bibiling yung oras. Bigyan nyo akong 10k subscribers. Putting Baos in drag makeup, yan ang atake. Pwede ba sumama pag nag-shoot? Kaya ko lang maging tripod. Ala! Gusto mo maging cameraman? Gusto mo maging second angle, Angel? Sige, gagawa ko 10k account. So, wow! Kaya raw ni Angel gumawa ng 10k na YouTube account. Go! What's my signature scent? I always look for scents that are gourmand, and lactonic. Char. But I love scents that are food-based, especially vanilla. Sobrang hilig ko sa vanilla. I like chocolate scents. I like strawberry cream scents. Not strawberry lang, but strawberry is okay. Pero strawberry cream scents, milky scents, ganyan gusto ko yan. I also love mga milky scents, ganon. Kaya yung mga bet ko. Gourmand and lactonic. Arte, kala mo talaga. I miss you, bitch. Bitch ka rin. 3 months na yung last. Sino may kasalanan? Ano, Ambiela, sino may kasalanan? Pinuksa na ni Angel si Abigail, go! Why you're not in Station Royale? Even if they invited me, I would have said no. Because honestly, girl, when they were filming Station Royale, I was still having to deal with the mental and emotional toll of 1, filming, and 2, of having the season air. Honestly speaking, hindi lang mahal mag-drag race. It's also very mentally and emotionally exhausting to both film the show and to have the show air. And people on social media react in real time to something that happened months ago. So, sobrang nakakapagod siya, as in. And, medyo nakikita nyo na rin kay Kiana, the emotional toll it takes. So, ayun, parang, I feel like I would have had a breakdown episode 1 if sumali ako sa Station. Plus, parang wala pa ako ipon nun, be. Girl, wala pa akong pera nun. Sa totoo lang, wala pa akong pera nun. Hindi ko pa na-ROI yung, ay, bakla. Anyway, ayan na, 8:30 na. So, ibaba ko na muna yung live. Kung mamimiss nyo ako, panoorin nyo yung vlog. Panoorin nyo kami ni Miggy Papi. Panoorin nyo si Miggy Papi maging bakla. Sure. Okay, salamat sa time ninyong lahat tonight. Bye!